What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a JBL Xtreme 3. All right, this is possibly the biggest JBL speakers that I have ever purchased. And I'm pretty excited about this because pretty much all of the small JBL speakers that I've gotten up to the Charge 5 has been phenomenal. The sound quality is amazing. The bass, obviously, is awesome. All that comes from those little bitty speakers. Well, the Xtreme is the next one up, and I am happy to say that I have it here. We're gonna unbox it today. We're gonna test out how good the sound is. If it's anything like the Charge 5, I don't think I'm gonna be disappointed. By the way, did you guys see I have the post right here? Post 4. I just did that. Phenomenal sound, once again from JBL. They don't disappoint when it comes to sound. Beautiful packaging once again, JBL. Good job, good job, good job. By the way, this speaker is so heavy that look, it came with a handle for the box. Whew, this thing is big. Obviously, this thing is one of those things where you're not gonna, carry around on your bike or anything like that. Just instruction booklets and stuff like that. Don't need to look at that. Thank you. Okay, so we got some accessories. We got the charge right here. Let's take a look at the accessory real quick. This thing looks humongous. Why? What? What is this? It has its own power adapter. Really? And one of the strap that you can attach to it. I forgot about that. Yeah, it does have a strap, doesn't it? Got a USB-C power adapter and a strap. This is pretty big. All right. So this does look like the Charge 5 with the big old JBL logo on it. Here are where the strap's gonna go. All the buttons are very familiar. Obviously, if you own like the flip, yeah, the Charge, you know what it is. Same little like design, rubber design down here for the stand. Works very well. And then this is what makes it waterproof right here, is this gigantic cover that I don't think anything is gonna get in. So obviously you can charge this thing. You can charge your phone. USB-C right here is for power. It says that it's in and out, by the way. So you can charge your phone with USB-C as well if you want, and then auxiliary port. I'm really glad that JBL always have an auxiliary port on there. I know a lot of you probably don't use it, but let's say one night I was using a projector and I needed a little bit bigger sound, and I actually grabbed my Charge 5 and plug in an auxiliary port to the projector, and it actually works very well. It provides really good sound for movies. So not that important, but when you need it, it's there. Yeah, this is literally like the Charge 5, guys, except it's like the big brother. Look at these feet on this. Wow. On both sides. And obviously, the sub. Can't wait to turn this thing on. All right. I know this is the moment you guys have been looking for. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Wow. You feel the rumble already. JBL Xtreme 3. Connected. Voila. This is halfway, by the way. Halfway. Okay, that's just halfway, okay? And rocking my table, that's for sure. What do you say we turn on full blast? By the way, just a disclaimer. The mic that I'm using, it suppresses sound when it's too loud. So whatever you're hearing here is probably, the mic is probably doing its job by suppressing noise. And so you sitting in front of it, it's going to be different. It's going to sound different than what you're hearing in my video, okay? So just an FYI on that one. I'm going to turn on full blast. Actually, I'm going to turn on full blast because I really don't want to break this thing. But let's go ahead and hit play. Turn it down. Yeah, the name is exactly Xtreme, and I do believe them. This is very, very loud. If you are planning to have a party, I would say this is probably the speaker for you. Yeah, this is all you're gonna need. You're not gonna need multiple speakers like JBL has. Obviously, if you wanna hook up to more speakers, it has party boost. By the way, love party boost. That thing is amazing. I actually think that you should buy JBL just because of party boost. Because if you're gonna have multiple speakers, it sounds amazing. But anyway, so far this thing alone has a huge sound. The bass is just rocking my table. The other thing is, notice when I turn the speaker this way towards the mic, it's a lot louder. And so back here, me sitting back here, it's not going to be as loud. All the speakers actually in the front right here. So just an FYI on that one. Yeah, this thing is very loud, guys. Very, very loud. I say it is an Xtreme from JBL. But anyway, that's it for me right there. That's the sound test for this JBL Xtreme 3. I hope you guys enjoy that. And I'll see you in the next episode. So guys, I just want to touch on this adapter real quick. This one right here is a 60-watt adapter. Okay, it can deliver 60 watts. I can't believe that this thing right here can handle 60 watt of charging power. I mean, my iPhone can do 20 watts. 60 watt on this thing. That shows you how powerful this thing is for them to include a 60 watt adapter to this thing.